Around the world, they've been surfing for 60 plus years. For us, it's relatively new. First time that we'd all come together under this United Philippine Surfing Association, surfing it as an Olympic event. The potential for a Filipino to get very far in surfing is there. It takes a village to raise a child. It takes the Philippines to raise surfing. Competitive surfing is more than just a lifestyle, it's actually a job, and that's the way we need to approach it, and that's the way we did approach it. In the short term, we need to compete. We need to compete in our country, we need to compete in other countries. We need to be exposed to surfing across the Philippines. And that is exactly what we're doing. 2022, we went aggressively into competition mode. We had 4 legs in 3 months. An international event in Siargao. We had our national event in Siargao, Belair, Borongan and Cabugao.
We were able to host the first ever WSL longboard and shortboard combined event down on the beautiful Mona Lisa Point in La Union. The local talent shone with J.R. Esquivel taking out the inaugural longboard WSL event right there on his home break. This wasn't possible without the support of NextGen and RD Jeff Ortega, Region 1 DOT.
Since the announcement of surfing in the Olympics, amazing things have happened in our sport. We've put our focus on the youth. We have a caravan that goes around the Philippines. We go from province to province and train them and educate them on how to become Philippines' greatest surfers. We want to raise up athletes who will raise up gold for the Philippines. The joy of success and the passion of winning. We want to mix this all together and showcase the talent we have right here in the Philippines.
The United Philippine Surfing Association would not be able to do this without the support of NextGen. Maraming salamat.
Ladies and gentlemen, Philippine Tourism Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Marag sa kanak, unay nga ada ita ditoy Ilocos Norte.
Masaya po ang bayan ng Pagudpud, ma'am, sir. Etong regalo ninyo sa ating maagang pamasko, ma'am.